No, I didn't die. But could we have a moment of silence for my old computer? Yes, my old computer has passed on. But I'm back. You just watch. Hi guys, and welcome to the craft table. Finally, yes. Alright, I have to apologize. My old fussy, my old computer just couldn't handle it. And pushing 8 years old, I can understand. So, I am back. I have a brand new, up-to-date, teeny bopper type computer. And it will upload, it will download, it will edit, and I'm back. So, just a small one, and to let you know that in this, it seems like ages, I did run to the Dollar Tree, and I want to show you some of the cutest things. Cute to me, new to me, and have you guys seen this? Isn't this like the cutest? And it's even better because
now I lay me down to sleep. I pray the Lord my soul to keep. Your love be with me through the night, and wake me with the morning light. Amen.
isn't that adorable? I have no clue. I saw it, picked it up, touched it. It did its little prayer. I had to have it. So this little handful it's my toy. So I don't know if everybody's got them. I am just like oblivious and they've been there for years, but at the Dollar Tree, one little dollar and just a handful of happiness. I also picked up a couple of these, you know me, in jars. I don't need them. I do not need to buy jars, but I do anyway. But these are going to be the cutest little lights, and you don't really have to do anything to them. It's drop a tea light in there. Great for the porch. And speaking of porch, it's time to spring up your porch, ladies. And let's see what I get. Oh, speaking of tea lights and fairy lights, batteries, and me and my notebooks. Yeah, you have to put sunglasses on. But I got a couple of these to write my notes. The gibberish that people keep going, what is this? And what am I supposed to understand? But these even have pockets in the front. Alright, and then it's time to, like I said, refresh the front porch. It's no longer winter and Christmas, so I am retiring the poinsettias and winter evergreens, and I am pulling out the spring. Yes, these are all from the Dollar Tree. And in my defense, I was left unsupervised, so yeah, I kind of went. And the greens for the back. And these should last me until, usually around Mother's Day, I get real flowers for my front porch, so these should last until then. But yeah, I'm going to start springing up my front porch. Aren't these pretty? I had not seen these before. These are the cattails, and they come in colors. There's pinks and yellow, and I've got some more hidden in here. But I went with the the yellows and oranges and pinks. Aren't these beautiful? But yeah, these should brighten up my front porch. I am over winter snow and snowflakes and cold and rain and yuck. So, just a quick one, like I said. I really, really am sorry that I just had no way of letting everybody know. But I am back. I should start getting back on schedule, whatever that was. And I really appreciate you guys sticking with me. And I really, really hope to see you soon. So, you guys have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.